You're rolling.
So you got a drought year here, and you see all over the city cedars are dying.
Yep.
All the cedar hedges. So what I do every morning when I wash carrots is I just give them a shot of water here before I go do the rest of harvesting, just to cool them down a little bit, get a bit of moisture into the bins. But at the same time, every time I do that, right before I turn the hose off, I just chuck it in the bush.
Nice, nice, nice. You're saving the thuya, the cedar.
And there you go, and turn it off.
Yeah.
And now that way that cedar got a little bit of water, and if you do that every day, then you'll see that hopefully these guys stay alive and they don't start to die out like those ones were starting to do over
yeah, there. Lack of water here.
Well, everywhere it's like...
It's not raining as much.
Well, it's also the thing is that everywhere, everybody's piping water away and getting rid of it as fast as they can. So, and...
Sad.
So what happens is you just don't have the retention anymore in the ground. So you don't, the reserves disappear, and you've got these different springs now where you get this, the heat comes a lot earlier. And like, even last year was a very good growing year for trees. You had that early heat, which wasn't quite as long as this one. Then you had pretty good moisture over the summer in kind of continual pieces in the normally dry time. But then you had that extended dry fall, right?
It's really hurting.
So things are changing.
Save a tree, do your watering or cleaning beside a tree on southern Vancouver Island or anywhere else, and save a tree. That's what it's all about. Living in your ecosystem in balance. Much love and respect. Anything else there, Mr. Chambers?
I'm just gonna have to kick a hot dog out of the car who's stowed away here.
Is he?
I can see he snuck in, but now we're putting food in here, so now he has to leave.
Yeah. Hey, there he is. Come on there, buddy.
How'd you go?
He's like, no, I'm not moving. Okay, this is Howie Jones, all the best, and that's Major, and he knows, come on, Major.